Welcome to our ice maker comparison. Today we are diving into a detailed look at two popular options, the Frigidaire Portable Compact Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker. We'll explore their specifications, features, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-capacity ice maker, we've got you covered. Let's start with ice production capacity. The Frigidaire Ice Maker produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which is suitable for smaller households or occasional use. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker boasts a higher capacity, producing 35 pounds of ice in the same time frame. This makes it a better choice for larger gatherings or regular use, especially if you enjoy having plenty of ice on hand. Next, let's discuss the type of ice produced by each machine. The Frigidaire Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice, which is great for cooling drinks, but may not be as enjoyable for some users. On the other hand, the Nugget Ice Maker creates chewable nugget ice, which is often preferred for its texture and ability to absorb flavors, making it a popular choice for cocktails and soft drinks. Finally, let's look at the additional features. The Frigidaire Ice Maker is straightforward and easy to use, but it lacks advanced features like a self-cleaning function. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker includes a self-cleaning feature, making maintenance much easier and more convenient for users who want to save time and effort in upkeep. In conclusion, both the Frigidaire and Nugget Ice Makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Frigidaire is a budget-friendly option that is perfect for occasional use, while the Nugget Ice Maker offers higher production capacity and desirable features for those who need more ice regularly. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.